Hello everybody, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and we are working on the Java 19 series. So, in the previous videos, I have already discussed the basic concepts of Java. And here in this Java 19 series, today I am going to start with a program that is going to be the program number 10. I have already discussed 9 programs in this playlist. So, if you have watched that, then it's fine. If you have not watched, go and watch it and come back here soon. Because each and every program are interconnected and this playlist is simply from very basics to advanced. So, watch the previous videos and come back. In this video, I am going to discuss one more if-else program, that is write a program to input two numbers and print the larger between them. Simple program, but yes, we shall just see this because if-else concepts we are working on. So let's see this example. Import java.util.scanner to take input pro10 public static void main scanner ob equals to new scanner. To take input, we use the scanner class, and here I am creating the object of scanner class. These all things I have discussed in very detail in the previous videos. So kindly watch it in case you are having confusion that how to take input or how to create a user-defined program or what is a scanner class or how to create an object of a scanner class. These all things I have discussed in very detail in the previous videos. In separate video, in each and every concept is in separate video. So kindly watch it in case you have confusion. So I'm just taking a message for the user. I'm taking enter two numbers. So the user will be able to enter two numbers. A equals to ob.nextInt because we are dealing with the integer data type. And nextInt is a method which is present in the scanner class, which we are accessing with the help of this ob object of this scanner class. So if A greater than B, so just print A is larger than B. Simple. And in case this particular condition is false, so it will be not moving inside this braces, it will be simply going towards the else portion. And it will print that, okay, sorry. Okay, it will print B is larger than A. Simply if A is not larger, that means B is larger than A. So this is the program which we have just completed. Let's try to run it and check that output is coming properly or not. pro10.java for compilation, then java space pro10. And here it is asking me to enter two numbers and 54 is larger than 34. That is absolutely correct. Then 32 is larger than 22. That is absolutely correct. So whatever numbers we are taking, we are getting the correct answer as it should be. So our program is working absolutely fine and the code and the output is in front of you. So I hope this particular program is clear. In case you have any query, you can just put it in the comment section. I will be definitely helping you out. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also hit the notification bell. Because after pressing the notification bell, you will start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. So a lot of good videos are going to come in this particular playlist. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.